Hello everyone, we're going to be talking about 5 things you didn't know about lemonade. Let's get into it. Number 1. Lemonade has ancient origins dating back to the Egyptians in the 14th century. It was a mix of lemon juice, sugar, and water that the people of Egypt enjoyed. Number 2. The origins of pink lemonade is a mystery, and different stories have been told. A popular one says that a circus worker accidentally dropped a piece of red cinnamon candy into a batch of lemonade, which turned it pink. But many stories exist out there if you look. Number 3. Lemonade stands are often made when you're young and looking to make some spending money. But in some states like Illinois, it's illegal to sell it without a permit. There's been debates about the legality of lemonade stands. I, for one, think it should always be legal. Number 4. Across the world, lemonade has some variations. In the United States here, it's much more sweetened. But in many European countries, it's usually served without sugar, which brings out the natural tartness of the lemons. In the Middle East, there's a variation called limonana, which uses mint leaves. Number 5. Pronounced aid. Aid in the world of lemonade exists because it's not 100% juice. It's a mix of lemon juice, sugar, and water. I consider myself an avid fan of lemonade, but through researching interesting facts for this video, I found many new ones. I hope you were able to learn some cool facts as well. Thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by, and subscribe if you want to see more vids like this.